Hi everyone, this tutorial is introducing the steps to sign up for our Enjoy AI organization account. Notice every organization has to have an account. Here is our website. Click right upper corner icon to register the organization account. Select organization and click organization registration. Tap the email address and the organization name. The organization name is very important. The price certificate will show the organization name. Just like this, so please double check the organization name. Make sure the spelling is right. And after the organization name, we can select our country or administrator name and set our password. The verification code will send to our email address and we can just tap it. After finish all the steps, we can click register now. Then we use the organization account to log in. Put in password and click login. This represents our registration is successful. Then we click the WhalesBot icon. Go to our profile and this ID is our organization ID. We should keep it for later use. Finally, go back to all contestants. Thank you for watching.